My name is Feoli, president and founder of Inception Technologies. My company works with a lot of different organizations providing document processing solutions and services, including outsourced business processing service, working with Analytix in terms of integration and automation and so forth. I think the real important thing is for any customer that wants to do this to have a really good idea of what their process is today. The responsiveness of the team and the guys that are doing the development have been really willing to engage with us on terms of delivering what we want. The challenge for us has been to provide them with a clear expectation of what we want and how we want it presented. I would have to say that being able to engage with the various areas within Analytix, the various departments that you guys have, it's really kind of opened my eyes a little bit to some of the things that we can do for our customers that maybe we wouldn't have otherwise been able to provide, because your resources are much greater than what we have to offer from a human perspective. In a nutshell, we help organizations digitally transform their organization to move from paper-based files and processes to digital and cloud-based processes. I want to say I've been working with Analytix for about 12 to 15 years, somewhere in that neighborhood. Usually what we've been engaged with is more on custom development for either products that we don't see in the market space today, or an offshoot of a product that we've seen in the market where it addresses a higher end of the market but not the lower end. When we first came to Analytix, it was about addressing the lower end of the market for customers that just weren't going to drop $20,000, $30,000 on a software-based solution that's provided by one of the bigger software developers out there. So we wanted to build a product that allowed us to compete at that lower end of the market, and we did that for a while. And then the market started shifting to a cloud-based architecture, and we sort of pulled back from that because we weren't sure how much of the market was going to move completely in that direction. In the last couple of years, we've really seen it, so we've kind of re-engaged with the development team here at Analytix to find a solution to that problem. Well, one of the things we started doing was going in and digitizing all those paper files from municipalities and storing them into a product called DocuWare that basically allows them to search and retrieve. Well, that's step one in the problem, but the other thing they really wanted to do was make those documents that were in that secure repository accessible to the public. So using your development team and the APIs that are available for the DocuWare solution, we built a public portal that allows our municipal customers to have access to those records in a secure fashion and provide that to their community. In my business, working with partners and making connections between applications is kind of what we do. We're an integrator. So just knowing the breadth of resources that are behind Analytix in those different departments really kind of gives us the ability to now to go back to some customers and say, hey, we really have a solid resource here.